Smash burgers and truffle fries, it's like a big back tag team partnership. You get one bite of that delicious burger and then boom, the fries got you in a chokehold and you can't stop eating them. And with our peanut butter secret sauce, this culinary combination doesn't stand a chance. First up, let's prep our truffle fries. We're starting by slicing up these potatoes and giving them a soak in some water. Now why do we do this? Soaking removes excess starch, which means crispier, less soggy fries. Plus, the starch on the potatoes brown faster when cooking, giving a false perception of how done they may really be. Trust me, this is a game changer. Now while the fries are soaking, we're gonna start on crafting this burger sauce that's gonna blow your mind. We're gonna finely chop some white onions and some pickles. That's gonna be the base for the sauce. Now this is just my technique to finely chop onions, but do it however works for you. And look, we're gonna have equal parts mayo, ketchup, and mustard. The classics, right? But here's the twist. A tablespoon of peanut butter. Yeah, peanut butter. Whisk it all together. Add those onions and pickles. A dash of your favorite hot sauce for that extra kick. And that's where the magic happens. Alright y'all, enough of the ASMR. It's time to get these fries right. Drain those potatoes and let them dry for a bit because you don't want to start a grease fire. It's out of my hands now. Don't call me. We need to get that oil hot, at least about 300 degrees. You can use a thermometer or use the trusty one fry test. Once you see the bubbles, the rest are in trouble. And once they're golden brown, you can pull them out, put them on a wire rack or a paper towel. And remember, salt those bad boys as soon as they come out the grease, while they're still hot. And this is where the truffle magic happens. You need some truffle oil or some truffle salt or both. If you get only one, the truffle salt is a must. It's great on eggs and popcorn too, apparently. You can throw this salt on any fries and call them truffle fries, to be honest. But look, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and we're in Flavor Town. Give them a good toss. And now it's burger time, y'all. We'll start off with some bacon because why not? Throw a little lemon pepper on it while it's sizzling and you won't regret it. And once that bacon's crispy, we'll use that glorious grease to cook our burgers. Slap a ball of ground beef straight into the hot pan. Let it brown, then smash it down. Now here's the key. We're seasoning the outside only. And we're gonna throw some Danos, yum yum, get you some on there. This keeps the burger crumbly and beefy and not meatloaf-like. When you mix it in beforehand, you gotta maneuver it around too much and that loosens up, the molecules in the beef and blah, blah, blah. All right, American cheese on top while it's finishing cooking. And we're almost there. Now, I was at a bougie grocery store when I bought all these products, but look, use some Kraft Singles, the cheap American cheese when you make burgers. It's gonna give you that real America style burger. And as you can see by these buns that I have to cut them in half myself, that yes, I was at a bougie establishment. But toast them, and we're gonna assemble this burger. All right, we got a generous spread of our secret sauce, 2 cheesy patties, some of that lemon pepper bacon, and another layer of that sauce. And we're halfway there because I know you ain't forget the truffle fries, right? Yeah, sit them right next to that burger. And look, fresh parsley is key. It's not optional. It just do something to it. But look, man, smash burgers are all about simplicity. Meat, cheese, and sauce. And that peanut butter that we added to our sauce is subtle, but it unlocks a side of your taste buds that you might not have been using if it was not present. It infuses all the savory flavors of a burger so well. And the truffle fries are in a class of their own. Truffle really does something to potatoes. It's borderline sensual. It gives the aroma of like garlic, which enhances the salt without making it saltier or overbearing, if that makes any sense. Basically, they're irresistible. But look, y'all, thanks for watching, and I hope you try my recipe for yourself. Comment below if you plan on trying it, And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Boogeysnacks. Peace.